Are you tired of spending countless hours and dollars searching for the right digital marketing tools? Introducing the I Am Buyers Club, the ultimate digital marketing club that gives you access to thousands of dollars worth of premium tools, apps, hosting, premium WordPress themes, plugins, and resources. In the ever-evolving world of digital marketing, staying ahead of the curve is crucial for success. That's where the I Am Buyers Club comes in, a revolutionary platform that grants you access to the latest and greatest digital marketing tools and resources, all for an unbeatable price. For over 5 years, the I Am Buyers Club has been the go-to resource for marketers and entrepreneurs looking to level up their online presence. And now, we're inviting you to join the club. Imagine having a vast arsenal of cutting-edge tools at your fingertips, empowering you to maximize your online presence, automate tedious tasks, and unlock unprecedented growth opportunities. The I Am Buyers Club is your gateway to this digital marketing paradise. Each month, we add an average of $1,000 worth of new tools to the club, ensuring you always stay on the cutting edge of the digital marketing world. With a monthly membership of just $49, you gain access to a treasure trove of tools and services worth over $1,000 per month. That's an incredible value proposition that would be foolish to overlook. At the I Am Buyers Club, you'll have access to a comprehensive suite of industry-leading tools. First, let's take a peek at the high-end tools you would normally be paying a monthly fee for. But in the club, they are all included in your membership. You get access to SwipePages at $89 per month value, Invideo Studio Business Premium account, a $30 per month value, 6 Go high-level accounts at $97 per month per account, Bl.Ink link management tool saving you $99 per month, the best bot builder on the market saving you $59 per month. Also, you get access to automated lists, but you get them all with your $49 per month membership. Just incredible, isn't it? Let's take a look at a few of the other amazing tools in the club. AI Coaches with Odo 1 and 2. AI Image Generator Pixi Pro version. Stunning Funnel Creation Tool Cloud Funnels. Create and sell Mobi apps for huge profits. Unlimited hosting and Cadence Pro theme and plugins. Create and sell courses with Course Funnels Pro $261 value. Dominate YouTube with TubeRank G6 with built-in AI. Automate all your social media with Viral Dashboard Evolutoin. Stunning video player Neo's battle-tested video marketing. As an I Am Buyers Club member, you'll enjoy unlimited hosting for your websites and your clients' websites without any additional cost. Full hosting packages are included with your monthly membership. This is premium web hosting with dedicated WordPress or Linux with full cPanel hosting. Additionally, you can get premium templates installed such as Cadence and Astra. You will also have access to high-end premium WordPress plugins installed as well. Imagine the possibilities. With I Am Buyers Club, you'll have the tools and resources to skyrocket your business and dominate the digital marketing game like never before. So what are you waiting for? Join the I Am Buyers Club today and unlock the potential of your digital marketing efforts. Don't miss out on this incredible opportunity. But hurry, this offer at $49 per month won't last forever. As the value of the club increases, the monthly membership cost will also increase. Click on the link below this video now and take the first step towards a brighter and more prosperous digital future. And have no fear, come join us for 30 full days and test drive the I Am Buyers Club. If for any reason you are not happy, you will get a no questions asked full refund. You have nothing to lose and so much to gain. I Am Buyers Club, where premium marketing tools meet unlimited possibilities. It is the greatest win-win investment you will ever make for your business.